Start propagating gardenia from cuttings in spring to summer. Cut a thin healthy stem from a gardenia tree from this year growth. Newly grown softwood cuttings root quickly, even without rooting hormone, and success rate is very high. First, prepare the cuttings. Cut stem into 6 to 10 inch long cuttings. Remove the bottom leaves. The cuttings should have at least one node at the bottom where roots will grow. Now, planting the cuttings. Take a small pot with several drainage holes. Mix some river sand in potting soil to make it free draining. Fill the pot with this rooting medium. Water the soil thoroughly. Keep the pot in shade for about half an hour to drain excess water. Rub aloe vera gel on the cutting. It works as a natural rooting hormone. But if you do not apply it, even then some cuttings will root. Now make a hole in soil and insert the cutting about 2 to 3 inch deep. Do not push the cutting. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot. Enclose the pot in a plastic bag to create high humidity. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. You can place the bag indoors if outside temperature is lower than 20 degrees Celsius. Open the bag every week and add a few drops of water to the soil, if it is dry. Close the bag again. The cutting started to grow new leaves after 4 weeks, but I continued the pot in the bag. After 10 weeks, all the cuttings have grown many leaves. I see some roots coming out of the bottom holes of the pot. I will transplant them in new pots. Keep the soil moist. The new plant produced flowers in the next spring. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.